The following video is for educational purpose. Please follow the instructions from government and local authority before taking any action. Thank you. There is seldom any organized or unorganized business sector in the whole world today that has not been affected directly or indirectly by the coronavirus. Educational institutions, public entertainment venues, transport stations, and public gatherings are all on a halt at a large scale, which is in a way affecting the global economic situation. And not only the big firms, but the people whose lives rely on their small businesses too are largely affected by the catastrophe. Fear is playing its part among the people, and they are trying their best to maintain a lifestyle with minimum amount of public engagement. In such a crisis, a business like a salon is for sure in danger, because if you are still ignorant of the fact that COVID-19 is a communicable disease and is spreadable through the respiratory system and minimum amount of irresponsible physical contact, then you better go through some authenticated data available on the internet about the disease. It is recommended to avoid getting tangled in the conspiracies. A salon business demands a significant amount of physical contact with your customers. Even if you avoid shaking hands with your customers at the reception, you will still have to give in at the time of treatment. And people know that. Which is why either you can close your salon for a while, go find some other anti-corona business and pass your time until they discover a vaccine or something, or you may use some common sense and a little bit of science yourself to help make your salon a safe place for your customers as well as for you and your employees by disinfecting yourself and your salon area. With right attitude, we can come out as a better business from any kind of situation, no matter how bad it gets. This video on My Salon Zone is about focusing on some ideas to keep your salon free from those little evil viruses. Number 1 is individual personal hygiene. This includes you, your staff, and your customers' hygiene. As the disease is highly spreadable, you cannot afford a single infected person inside your salon, or else you may risk your own life while trying to protect your salon. Keep your mouth covered with mask as long as you are in the salon and dealing with people. Frequently wash your hands with alcohol-based soap and water, or use alcohol-based sanitizer for keeping the hands clean after dealing with each single client, and also encourage your clients to wash their hands just after entering into your salon and use the face masks as long as they are among people. Avoid shaking hands with anyone infected or otherwise. Make it a general rule for a while not to do any kind of handshake or a welcome gesture that involves any kind of physical contact. It's better to come out rude for a while and avoid infection than be polite and catch the disease. Number 2 is the use of disinfectants. It is essential to clean the whole working area as well as the equipments being used with proper disinfectants after being used on each client to prevent the spread of the disease. This is the most crucial step to be taken in order to make sure your customers don't get infected due to unhealthy working area of your salon. They will only come in your salon if you assure them that your salon working area is 100% safe from any kind of infection. Studies done by the World Health Organization has found that alcohol-based disinfectants are most effective in deactivating the effects of coronavirus. Washing the equipments and salon floors and furnitures with chemicals based on ethanol, isopropanol, sodium hypochlorite, and hydrogen peroxide are most effective in avoiding the spread of the viruses. Number 3 is awareness. We don't know yet how far this novel coronavirus disease will go and how many more lives it's gonna take if not controlled over time. Scientists are working day and night into developing a vaccine to provide the required immunity to the coronavirus. We can take some life lessons from this period of unpredictability. It's not a new thing that the world has been infected in many ways by a pandemic disease. Spreading awareness is one of the good deeds here we should be doing in this harrowing situation. You may do this by circulating mails from your salon telling people what they are required to do to stay protected from coronavirus. Also, you may have to paste new templates with useful informations and precautionary measures against coronavirus inside your salon to make your clients believe that you care about their safety. Use some effective motto statement and spread the word. We all are in this together. That's all in today's video. Do share this video and help us spread awareness, and please share your thoughts in the comment section about this disease and anything useful that can be done in this situation. Thank you and take care.